Mopar time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner convertible. And yes, real deal Roadrunner. 383 4-barrel high performance V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, and yes, B5 original paint code. So blue fire metallic in the Plymouth. You can check out the data tag in the VIN. If you'd like to decode this yourself, check out the options that it came with. Back in '69, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look at how nice that chrome is, grille, headlights, surrounds. Phone number to call if you're interested in this car, 507-386-1726. Riding on the rally style wheels. Blue vinyl interior. A couple of the other options you could have noticed up front was the hood mounted turn signals, or fender mounted on each side of the car. Center console buckets. Again, that 4-speed. Take a look from the rear to the front. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Rear chrome looking good, dual exhaust. Nice sounding car. We're going to fire it up here at the end. Let's hear it run. As far as the top, it is a power top, functions as it should. White vinyl. We'll also put that up at the end and take a peek at it so we can see the condition of that. Or you can look in the picture, see this car from every angle, the top up and top down at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video. You're seeing it on YouTube, and you'll go right there. Did notice a couple little touch-up spots. One in the door right there, another one right there. But nicely done. Interior, vinyl shows well. Again, what you'd expect of a car like this. You can see underneath the floor mats and the still pictures, not hiding anything there in the carpeting. You can see the bottom of the doors. All in the still pictures, over 100 pictures of this car online. All right, let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Now we do have a couple gauges down here. I don't know if I can get them to focus. It's oil pressure and temperature. Up top, alternator. Fuel gauge. I noticed that the tach is not working. Wipers do work. They don't really play around with the radio a whole lot. There's a little static, so I'm assuming we have power to the radio. Have not had stations play. Power top does work. Mentioned earlier. Take a look at the condition of the dash. We're warmed up here. Slip around to the back seat here. There's a run. Oh, listen to that. This one will turn some heads the way it sounds and looks. Alright, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get the hood open. We'll check out that power plant. There's the hood popped. That 383 4-barrel high performance V8 power steering. Looking good underneath the hood. Of course, the fender tag is intact, and you can check that out again in the still pictures. All right, there's your engine bay. Tell you what, I'm going to shut it down here, get that top up so we can take a peek at the condition of that. Again, power top, works as it should. Let's check out the condition.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top up. Again, white vinyl. Fits nicely above the windshield. I've not noticed any holes, rips, or tears. Go ahead and take a look all the way around it. By the way, this is rear glass. Nice fit. Vinyl's in good condition. as you'd expect in a car of this caliber. Very nice. 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner convertible. Pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the descriptions and it'll take you right there. Remember, you can call us 507-386-1726. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.